is the best port wheel spacer size. It is usually recommended the distance between the wheel and the fender flush as a reference for the best size of the wheel spacers. For the choice of slip-on wheel spacers and bolt-on wheel spacers, if the perfect thickness you need is around 3mm to 20mm, we'll recommend slip-on wheel spacers. Simply slide over your existing wheel hub, secured by a set of new longer wheel bolts. Therefore, they are primarily made of vehicles that use wheel bolts rather than lug nuts. If you add high offset wheels or wide body kit, then there is a pretty high chance you need bolt-on wheel spacers. Usually, bolt-on wheel spacers are available in larger size, 25mm up to 70mm or even more. Bonus offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3mm thin to 116mm thin are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD and CB conversion wheel adapters.
Precise hub-centric wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of the vehicle wheel parts. In order to further optimize the hub-centric connections, bonus wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric lips. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers be the corresponding hub spacers. Bonus has developed advanced active cooling wheel spacers that offer patented cooling grooves. These especially designed grooves allow air to flow through, helping to dissipate heat from the brakes. This improves brake performance and longevity, especially during off-road or high-speed driving. High-strength sport aluminum alloy bonus wheel spacers are made from aerospace grade 6061 T6 or 7075 T6 aluminum, ensuring lightweight durability and high load capacity. Precision machining and SGS tube test report. Bonus wheel spacers are CNC machined to 0.02mm accuracy, ensuring a perfect fit. Besides, bonus wheel spacer has passed over 70 SGS tube test reports. If you have any questions about bonus wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.